Hello, savvy home sellers. You've expertly marketed your property, and now, the exciting part, offers are rolling in. But what happens when the back and forth begins? Today, we're diving into winning FSBO negotiations. We'll equip you with strategies to spot serious buyers, counter like a pro, and protect your bottom line, all while staying friendly, firm, and in control. Before any negotiation even starts, you need your ultimate secret weapon, your BATNA, or best alternative to a negotiated agreement. This means knowing your absolute minimum net proceeds, your latest acceptable closing date, and any non-negotiable terms. Having a clear BATNA isn't just smart, it gives you unwavering confidence and prevents emotional decisions when things get intense. To prepare, first, know your numbers cold. Your minimum acceptable net proceeds after all costs, your preferred closing dates, and the maximum you're willing to give in repair credits. Identify your deal breakers, understand current market conditions, and know your monthly carrying costs if the sale is delayed. This thorough prep beats live fire panic every time. Buyers often use predictable negotiation tactics. For instance, if they offer less for paint and carpet, you can counter by acknowledging the cost and offering a specific credit if the closing is quick. If they're contingent on selling their home, consider a bumpable clause to allow for backup offers. Or, if they flag appraisal risk, suggest an appraisal gap rider where they cover a portion if the appraisal comes in low. Be prepared with your calm, firm responses. The counteroffer is where deals are truly won or lost. Remember, never accept the very first offer, even if it's good. A small counter shows you're a serious negotiator. Respond quickly, ideally within 24 hours, to maintain momentum. If you concede on price, always ask for better terms elsewhere. Justify your position with market data, and most importantly, keep emotions completely out of it. Stay professional and fact-based. Let's touch on two advanced tactics. The appraisal gap strategy is vital in competitive markets. It's a clause where the buyer agrees to pay a certain amount if the appraisal comes in below the contract price, keeping your deal alive. Another key tool is the bumpable contingency. If your buyer needs to sell their home first, a bump clause allows you to keep marketing. If a new, non-contingent offer comes in, your original buyer has a short window to remove their contingency or the contract terminates. Congratulations, you have multiple offers. This is prime leverage, but handle it carefully. Disclose the situation to all buyers and set a clear deadline for best and final offers. Evaluate the total package. It's not just about price. Consider financing strength, closing timeline, and contingencies. Document everything and strive to be fair and transparent with all parties. Post-inspection negotiations can be tricky. Categorize requests into safety, functional, or cosmetic. Get estimates so you know the actual costs. Often, offering a credit at closing is faster and less risky than making the repairs yourself. Focus on major items and consider capping your total credits at a reasonable amount. It's about finding a win-win solution that respects the home's overall condition. Timing can be as crucial as price. Use it as leverage. You might offer a small price reduction for a very quick close or charge a fee for extended closing delays. Sometimes the best negotiation move is to walk away. This happens if demands exceed your BATNA, financing seems unstable, or if the buyer is consistently unreasonable. Be prepared to politely and professionally end negotiations if the deal isn't right for you. Most FSBO negotiations happen digitally. Use a professional, specific tone in emails, respond promptly, and always save everything for your records. Use the phone for complex discussions and relationship building, but follow-up calls with an email to confirm key points. Also, understanding buyer psychology gives you an edge. Your listing price sets an anchor, scarcity creates urgency, and emphasizing what they might lose can motivate them. Avoid common mistakes like emotional responses or immediate acceptance. Always counter. Here's your key takeaway for winning FSBO negotiations. It's a powerful blend of preparation, strategy, and psychology. Know your limits before you begin, Utilize proven tactics and maintain a professional demeanor throughout. Remember, the ultimate goal isn't just to win every point, but to achieve a mutually beneficial agreement that gets your home sold on the best possible terms. You've got this. Ready to take the next step? Check out some of our other articles and videos. Thanks for watching, and happy selling.